My fridge is filled with healthy food every day. The meals are always exciting while saving me money at the same time. Before MPS, I constantly wasted money on takeout. I would always feel sluggish. I had little discipline or routine, and I would always get stressed to eat on time, trying to figure out where my next meal was coming from. And if I go to the grocery store to go shopping after work, I had almost no time to do the things that I actually wanted to do. After MPS, I save money every week from not buying junk food. I'm less stressed and I'm more productive because I actually get to think about the things I actually want to do. And thanks to these meals covering my macro and micro needs, I feel sharper mentally, like I'm ready to take on any challenge. Because I'm able to get into a routine, I have more discipline, and because of that, I've been able to take care of myself better. I can see the difference in my skin, my hair. They have 15 new meals per week. That's way more than I can cook on my own. Plus, all the ingredients are organic, so it's all the good stuff, and the ingredients are locally sourced. Try Meal Prep Sunday. It's forever changed the way that I look at food.